We're now going to take a look at a new addition to multi-turret turning in FeatureCAM. By default, when we machine a part, the turrets will come in vertically from above and below. Now, many of the modern machines have the ability to actually rotate the tool axis to give a B angle of rotation around this axis here. This is particularly useful where the clearance between the tool and the chuck is very less, particularly if you have a very large diameter part with a large face feature. So what I'm going to show you now is how we can actually tilt the tool over to a different angle. So I'm just going to eject out of this operation here, open up the turn feature, and I'm going to select a different tool here. So I'm now selecting a B-axis tool. And if I open up the tool properties, you see we now have an orientation tab where we can say that the tool is an outer diameter turning tool, an inner diameter boring bar as normal, and we now have the addition of the neutral tool. And with the neutral tool, this can be at any angle that we like. So from 0 directly along the Z-axis to 90 exactly along the Y-axis, and in this case I want to put it at an angle of 65 degrees, so I'm tilting it away from the chuck of the machine by 15 degrees. And you'll now see that when I single step this machine simulation, that the tool is inclined away from the chuck, giving us increased clearance up here. And it's also changing the cutting conditions at the tip of the tool, so you can select the B angle to give you the optimum cutting conditions together with the best clearance for the part.